Hey Slowheads, I thought I'd do a quick video. I haven't done one on my HO track, so sun sock. But yeah, I haven't done a video on my HO track. I think I've posted a couple pictures of it, but I figured I would show y'all the little layout for this. We put this upstairs in my son's bedroom, so my oldest son, so he could mess around with it if he wanted to, and that way we kind of got track. Right now we've got a track in the garage, track in this room upstairs, and a track in the living room floor. So if that says anything, because my youngest, you know, he got one for his birthday, and this is the one that us boys, my dad got for us for Christmas. So you know, he put this all together. He bought the AFX International and bought a couple extra pieces and made this layout, which is the Tuckaway 25. Let me see if I can adjust this camera so y'all can kind of see it a little bit better. So that is the layout. I've got a box of more cars down there that I still need to mess with. I've just been messing with a lot of the you know, the big cars, 132, 124, 125th stuff. So I haven't been messing with this. I plan on it. It's on the to-do list. And this may get moved out to the garage yet. Still, I don't know. I may put it on hinges and flip it up against the wall in the garage so that all the tracks, at least this one and the big track, are in the garage. But this uses the, I think it's called the Viasu. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It may be completely wrong, but it uses the timing system. So it doesn't have the relay, so it won't start and stop, which is something I plan on eventually adding. But I had the FX controllers that come with this, but I did put these, I think these are the older ones, but I think they're the 30 ohm, or maybe they're 45 ohm. I don't remember. I think the newer ones are like 120 and these are 45 or something. So some of the cars work better with this one, and then the cars that come with this are the Mega G Plus, so they work pretty good with the controllers that come with it. So I have two that are like this. I just cut the ends off the other ones and put them on here, and I have two of the regulars that come with the track still set up, so I can use both if I need to. But then, so let's kind of take a look at the layout here. I'm not using my mic, so I'm sorry that the sound probably is horrible. So here's the layout. The lighting pretty much sucks up here. It's a vaulted ceiling, and it only has the ceiling fan over there. And this room is long, like really long. He's got I think the biggest room in the house. And then there's this closet over here that I use to help light this up. But it's called the Tuckaway 25. It's a 4-lane. I don't remember the measurements, but it's basically the size of a door is what this is sitting in. Like a household, or not a household, but a interior exterior door. And then here's some of the cars that it's probably going to be kind of hard to see without that light. There we go. Turn the flash on the phone. You guys can kind of see some GT40s, several GT40s there. My dad really liked those, so he bought a bunch of those. The Mega G Indy cars that come with the set. This old AFX. I bought these little kits off eBay. They were pretty cheap. It's a pullback car, but you can take the bodies off and put them on your slot cars. And so that's what this truck was, a little Dodge pickup. And then here's a Viper, hopped up Viper car. This is Auto World Hobby Lobby special, and these are some Hobby Lobby specials there. we've got more cars. There's more down there in that box. But and then I think this car here is a Viper car as well. It's got the adjustable bell there, but I'm pretty sure this is a Viper car as well. It runs pretty good. So I'll set this camera back up and we'll take a couple laps. All right, hopefully you can hear me, but I'm gonna take a couple laps with this car. I'm pretty sure, like I said, I think it's a Viper. I haven't practiced on this track in a long time, but we'll give it a go. Oh, fell off there. That's a pretty quick car. I don't have my deal up here to clean the tires. I don't know if this Viper car will run without blowing that crap in that track or not. I still need to take the capacitors out. Yeah, so this don't they don't like the warmed up. Oh, but there's that car. Popped up Viper. The Lexan body. There's a Mega G. I think this one has the tires that are messed up. Ooh. Oh, yeah. So these tires need cleaned. Tires need cleaned, and they probably really need a good tune on a lot of these cars with the brushes and tires cleaned and all of that. But these tires are really dirty on this car. I have one of those the tape deals, your lint roller is what I usually use to clean the tires on these. Whew. And that's running on the slow lane. That's running on red. It's a slow lane. Usually white and blue are the fastest lanes. So that's my HO track. I took away 25. It's a really fun track to run on. I really wouldn't mind building a big one for the 132. But you know, probably won't happen. We'll stick with this one. I do got some changes coming for my big track in the garage, so stay tuned for that. Got some more updates coming. I'm trying to get some of these videos out. I got to get myself to, get off work, freaking hot, and come home, take a shower, and it's just like, oh, time to relax. I'm like, no, just got to get out there and make some content. So trying to get some more out there. We've got several more videos coming, so stay tuned, like and subscribe. Later, Sawheads.